Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add and manage multiple BoldDesk accounts in a mobile app. I'll also show you how to switch between accounts and remove an account. The BoldDesk mobile app offers agents the convenience of effortlessly adding and managing multiple organization portals. This feature offers a seamless experience when switching between accounts. Now, let's see how to add multiple accounts to a mobile app. To know about getting started with the BoldDesk mobile app, follow the link in the card above. Once logged into any BoldDesk account using the mobile app, tap the profile icon and a screen will appear. Then, tap the Add Another Account option to open a page to add an account. On the Login section, provide the web URL for the BoldDesk account you need to log into and tap the Login button. This will open the Agent Portal login page, where you need to choose a login method from the available options according to the Agent Portal login settings. You will be logged in, and the account will be switched to the newly added. The tickets will be listed in the default ticket view, which will open according to the agent profile settings. Next, let me show you how to switch between accounts. With multiple account support in the BoldDesk mobile app, agents can easily switch between accounts without logging out and back in. To switch to another account, tap the profile icon. This will open a page listing all the existing BoldDesk accounts. The account currently logged into will appear at the top and be marked with a tick. Now, tap the account you want to switch to. This will switch the accounts without logging out from the previous account. Now, let me show you how to remove an account from the BoldDesk mobile app. To remove any account, tap the profile icon. On the screen that opens, tap the Remove Account option. This will open other existing accounts with an icon at the right of each account. Tap the icon for the account to be removed, and a dialog will open to confirm account removal. Tap Yes, Remove to remove the account. In summary, I demonstrated how to add multiple BoldDesk accounts to the mobile app. I also showed you how to switch between accounts and remove an account from the mobile app. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.